Hi everyone, my name is Maggie. This is a tutorial to help you understand and fully master MagicSAS and Maggie AI. Let me do a short introduction for the app. So, MagicSAS is two powerful things in one tool. First, it's a complete CRM. That's your system for managing customers, leads, products, and sales. Second, it's Maggie AI, which is me, your built-in assistant that runs on the 5 best AI models in the world: Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, and Grok. One subscription, all 5. And you can choose your preferred model, or I will automatically pick the best one for whatever you ask. This tutorial will be split into 5 short chapters you can skip on timeline to any chapters you need help with. First chapter, which is now, Introduction and Signing Up. Chapter 2 is CRM Workflow. Here I will teach you the way to get most out of MagicSAS. Chapter 3 is about Maggie AI and Maggie Assistant. Don't worry, they are both me. It is a different way of using my brain to your best advantage. Chapter 4 will be some additional tools and more. Finally, last chapter will be some future plans on new features that our team are currently building to make your experience even better. Okay, let's get you signed up. At our landing page, you can press the Start Free button to go into our login and sign up page. At the login page, you can press Sign in with Google to make things easier, or create one link to fill up your information. So this is how your sign-up page will look like. Just fill up all the information. Bear in mind, the email has to be a working email for email verification or if you forgot your password. After filling in all the information, you can press Create Account. This is when you will receive a verification email in your inbox for you to verify. Once you click on the verified link, it will bring you to the next page about sign-up process. Even though all these information are not required, but please fill them up, because it will make your life easier when I am generating email or marketing materials for you. The next page here is the most important part of the sign-up process. Please take your time with these to the best of your effort, especially the company description field. This is how I will understand what you use MagicSAS for. Next page here is all about leads generation. MagicSAS leverage on SERP API to generate leads based on your company's industry and your target niche market. SERP API will give you 250 free searches per month, which is around 5,000 new leads whom you can work on your cold calling. Okay, let's click on the SERP API website link to get the API key. Know that you are here at the website. Don't worry about all the coding, as MagicSAS has already taken care of this for you. Just click on the register button. You can again register with Google account to make things easier. Once you are in, you will see this dashboard page. Scroll down to the middle and you will see this long string of API key. Just copy it, and we are done here. One more thing to note, if 5,000 leads are not enough for you, you can always pay for more at this page. Now that you have copied the key, and we can come back to continue with our sign-up process. Just paste the key here and press Next. Your leads gen tool is officially working. Lastly, we will be setting up our email. Usually if you are using a company email or your own domain email, the setup will be simpler. You can just ask your admin for SMTP address and password, or go to your domain provider and find these in email settings. If you are using Gmail for sending out email to your clients, you can follow the instructions here. Or you can always skip this first and set it up in settings later. Congratulations! You are done with the sign-up process. The first page you will see is the plans menu. I want to spend some time to share exactly what you will get from each plan, and which plan is more suitable for which category of users. For the start, we have the free plan. This is the CRM only plan, a place for you to log your sales process, record the stages of your sales cycle. It works just like your free tier for HubSpot. We will cover the exact flow of the CRM in a bit. For the BYOK plan, which stands for Bring Your Own Key plan, all the AI features are hooked up. If you do not need the large language models like Grok, Claude, Gemini to support your sales cycle, this plan will be sufficient. If you choose this plan, you will be guided to add in a set of DeepSeek or OpenAI API keys. You only pay the amount that you actually use through your own keys. And your AI API can operate all the features in MagicSAS. For most users, you will end up spending way lesser than $20 a month signing up a ChatGPT subscription. Subscribe now. You will get 1 month free trial. Next, Maggie AI plans, where you will actually unlock my full features. I am connected with top 5 AI models: Claude, Gemini, GPT, DeepSeek, and Grok. Most importantly, I don't just talk and give you response. I will actually be part of your sales cycle and operate MagicSAS for you. $20 plan is also called Pro Plan. Now for $99 plan, you will get 5 users and 3 million credit to be shared within the team. This is for company with more than 1 salesperson. Lastly is Custom Plan. For this plan, if you want to set up a local version of MagicSAS on your company server, you can contact us through here. Now, let's go to Chapter 2, your CRM flow. Before we hop in, let's first do some preparation steps. In Setting, General tab, Here is where you will see your Maggie AI credit if you have the Maggie AI Pro plan or Business Suite plan. There is one thing you need to do, which is changing of the Maggie calendar settings. You can choose here the calendar that you use most. Now, to start using your CRM, you need first to have products in your company. A few ways to add product. One is by going to inventory page and press add one at a time. Or you can give your product list to me, and I will do the job for you. Just like this, I have added all your products into the inventory page and categorized them to physical products and services. Now that I have added all the products to the inventory, just go through the inventory and make sure all the pricing, stock count, and cost prices are correct. For services, you are able to do subscription-based as well. Next step, let's create a project with the main products you are selling. Again, just tell me what you need. Or you can add manually in projects page. So all you need to tell me is, how should I name the project? What product to include? If there is a promotion package, and what product to include in the promotion package? And what is the target niche? Target niche is very important as I will be finding leads from your target niche. If you don't know what to include, you can ask me to recommend as well. Now we have done creating the project. You can click View or directly click the Leads tab on the menu. As you can view, the target niche is mentioned here with location. Location is important as well, as you might not need leads from UK if you are targeting business in Singapore. Now select the project and press Generate Leads. You can also press the Add Lead button to add your own lead individually, or just tell me to add for you. Maggie Assistant does not allow uploading of image as it runs on a leaner model. Let's use the full Maggie AI. Just click here. Now let's try adding a business card. Just press Send and let me do the job. Now the lead is added. I have changed some details in the lead, so it will be easier for me to do a demonstration. Next step is press the Generate and Launch button, and it will help you generate the first engagement message, which will pop up in WhatsApp. If you have your web WhatsApp logged in, you just need to check, edit if needed, and press Send. If the customer replied, you can paste the reply here and I will generate a reply for you. Once there is progress, you can move the Kanban to other status that reflect the current stage you are at. When you have closed the deal, remember to move it to close status in the In Progress page. Open it up and add the product or package you have sold. This way, your statistics will show up in the statistics page and I can help you analyze your current sales cycle. Next chapter is me, Maggie AI. I am an AI tool that is deeply integrated into MagicSAS CRM. You can use me like how you use ChatGPT. Whatever ChatGPT can answer you, I can do it either. Probably better, as I have 5 top AI providers model all built in my brain. You can choose specific model, or simply let me decide which to use. Most importantly, I can help you manage your sales workflow. I also have the best industry knowledge on sales and marketing filed in my playbook. These are informations AI providers won't default their response to. You can be sure any sales or marketing related problems, I can give you the best answer you can find. One feature to note, remember we have choose the calendar setting in earlier chapter. You can try asking me to schedule your appointment. I can draw a link in the new tab with all information pre-filled, and all you need to do is press save. Okay, next chapter, we are going to cover some other tools that would be useful. First is inventory page. Once you have a closing that you chose in Leads Kanban, the item will automatically be deducted from inventory. MagicSAS team is still in the midst of upgrading the inventory section to make it a fully functional inventory app that you can use to manage your inventory. So look out for future updates. It will be available soon. Next, we have the social media content generator app that allow you to generate your social media content for most of the major social media. Finally, we have the email marketing tool. For this tool, you can type your prompt, choose the list of customers by status, and send the email after your SMTP email server is hooked up. For social media app and email marketing app, they are both still work in progress. In the coming month, we will be making both better with newly added features like scheduling and more. So please stay tuned for our updates. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I sincerely represent the whole MagicSAS team to thank you for giving us a try. Hope we can be a real value add to you and your business.